Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and upgrade to Goodnotes AI Pass. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Goodnotes application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Goodnotes, find the application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the documents we are using, and at the bottom of the screen we have the documents page and the plus button to create new documents. So let's go and take a look at how to upgrade to the Goodnotes AI Pass. So basically guys, this costs approximately $9 per month as an add-on. So what you're going to do is navigate to the settings menu in the application by going right here into the upper right corner and clicking on your profile icon, and this is going to enable us to open up the settings at the top of the screen. As you can see, you can click view account. You want to click on view account. This is going to open up your account settings, and from here we can get started upgrading to a new plan. So by clicking the subscription option, this is going to enable you to upgrade to the essential plan. This is going to give you unlimited notebooks and whiteboards as well as the AI chat. So if you want to upgrade for the AI Pass, you can subscribe to the essential plan right here. It costs about $9.99 per month, and once you've done that, your account is going to turn into the essential plan, from where you can get started using all the pro features, and that is how it's done with starting to get upgraded. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.